Hi everyone, welcome. Today in this video I have Call of Dragons game and I'm going to show how can you easily turn off or on notifications. Let's get started. First we have to go into our profile and then click settings. After that there is a notifications tab. We have to click on it and now we can either disable or enable our options. For example, upgrades and training, battle notifications, personal mail, alliance mail, awaiting collection, legends return, alliance rally, elixir storage, and that's it. Apart from that, we can, of course, enable them. We can easily manage it. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.